Welcome to Auto Drive, your go-to destination for the latest updates, reviews, and insights into the most exciting vehicles hitting the roads. If you're passionate about cars and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that subscribe button now so you never miss out on our detailed car reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Chevy C50 Duramax, a powerful and rugged machine built to perform and impress in every way. Stick with us till the end to catch every detail and maximize your understanding of this heavy-duty beast. The 2026 Chevy C50 Duramax is powered by a muscular V8 engine that delivers remarkable performance. With a large displacement under the hood, it pushes out an impressive amount of horsepower and torque, making it ideal for towing and hauling tasks. Whether you're using it for work or recreation, this truck offers power where it matters most. It's paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, giving you multiple gear options for precise control and efficiency across various driving conditions. Depending on the configuration, the drive system includes options for rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, adding versatility for both on-road and off-road adventures. Inside, the Chevy C50 Duramax offers a comfortable and spacious cabin with seating for up to 6 passengers. Depending on the trim level, the interior features premium materials such as leather or high-grade cloth. Amenities like heated and cooled seats, ample legroom, and smart storage solutions make it ideal for long journeys. The exterior design maintains a bold and commanding presence, with a robust body style that reflects its durability. Key dimensions include a long wheelbase and wide stance, enhancing both stability and load-bearing capability. In terms of suspension and handling, the C50 is engineered with a heavy-duty live axle setup and high-performance shocks, providing a smooth yet stable ride. The steering is precise thanks to a rack and pinion system that offers confident control even when the truck is fully loaded. Braking is handled by large disc brakes that ensure reliable stopping power, crucial for safety and control. Speaking of safety, the C50 is loaded with essential features including multiple airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and electronic stability control. These systems work together to keep you and your passengers protected in various driving conditions. The infotainment setup is both functional and modern, offering a touchscreen interface with radio, CD player, and built-in navigation. Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone integration enhance the overall tech experience. Other notable features include cruise control, power windows and locks, and even a sunroof in higher trims. Special edition packages add luxury touches like premium leather upholstery, wood and chrome interior accents, and a uniquely styled front grille. You can also find advanced performance upgrades like sport-tuned suspension and a high-output engine variant for those seeking extra muscle. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated with more detailed automotive content, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive and hit the bell icon. We cover the latest car models with in-depth insights to help you make informed decisions. Thanks for watching and make sure to check out our other videos for more on what's new and next in the world of cars.